Hey guys, well today's a Minecraft video, but I'd like you to subscribe to one of my friends. His YouTube channel is a pretty good YouTube channel, so I hope you subscribe. First go to YouTube, then go to the search bar. Once you've done that, search up onion bacon. If it doesn't come up and it comes up with the food, or if it's at the bottom, you can press it. But if it doesn't come up, just search up onion bacon Among Us. And then it should come up straight away. It will be here. And I hope you subscribe. He's got a lot of good videos that you should watch. He's got amazing videos. I hope you like his videos and you subscribe. So this video, well, it will be about tips and tricks in Minecraft that I've learnt from other YouTubers and I'd like to share with you. Let's go straight into it. Well, tips and tricks. It's hard to build houses in Minecraft. Like, it takes ages and ages to learn it. But when you just add that small amount of detail, it just makes it look amazing. Like, in this world, I'm going to start building a massive mansion all around here. I've started building a zoo, and I'm going to start building towns and cities. But, like, it's not, a lot of people don't think about this, but make it like reality. Like, if there's a giant rocky place, you would want a lighthouse. So I've just added on this little island. It used to be all sand and I turned it to rock. Island. I added no trespassing because I don't think lighthouse owners would like people to just walk in their lighthouse. There's a little dock with fish and all that, like what you would normally find. And there's the lighthouse, as you know. If you go straight up, that you would be in the lighthouse. And yeah, so make small amounts of detail. Well, the small amounts of detail, do you know how, like, if you add rocks and slabs, like, pretend I turn this whole lot into just stone. I'll just do it now. So this is all stone. It looks pretty ugly. But if you just add a few small, like, mossy cobblestone, button, and normal stone, it will just make it a lot better. Like, watch this, in 5 seconds it will look much better. Like, see, it's already better looking. I could have more detail and space it out more and make it all nice. And, like, look how it looks. Imagine this just being all cobblestone. Won't it just look plain? Like, I also did it with the wood. I added different varieties of wood. Like, it makes things look much more nicer. Like, for a footpath, do you know how you've always just got, like, do you know how there's always just this? You can make it nicer by just, like, adding a few random pieces everywhere of just dirt. And adding, like, miniature fern or something here. Not just all straight up path. Because in real life, I don't think dirt path will look straight for so long and neat. Plant grass would start growing after a while. Also, when you've just got a straight wall, you can make it nicer looking if you just add a few vines and moss. Like, not everywhere, but some places on a wall. Just makes it look nicer. It's not just my opinion, but it could be someone else's opinion. It just makes stuff look nicer when you add detail. Also, I might start a Bedwars and a multiplayer series. If you want to see that happen, I'd love it if you hit that like button, or if you really want to be super generous, hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget, subscribe to Bacon Onion. Onion Bacon, I mean. He's got amazing videos. Bye, hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.